प्रोडक्ट का एक ना यूनिक सेलिंग पॉइंट होता है और एक ख़ास बात होती है. यूजुअली एवरी प्रोडक्ट, बी इट स्मॉल, बी इट बिग, एक्सपेंसिव और इम्पल्स बाय, दैट अप्लाइज टू दिस फ्लैश एक्स मॉड्यूल एज वेल. तो बात करते हैं इसके यूनिक सेलिंग पॉइंट की. पहले जो एग्जैक्ट फीचर है जो कि कंपनी भी हाईलाइट कर रही है, या इसकी क्वालिटीज़ हैं या कुछ एट्रीब्यूट्स हैं, उसके बारे में बात कर लेते हैं क्या क्या है. तो अभी जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पर इन्होंने बोला है प्लग एंड प्ले है, 60 पैटर्न्स हैं, नो स्विच रिक्वायर्ड, टेल लैम्प इंटीग्रेशन, ऑन बोर्ड LED इंडिकेटर, वाटर रेजिस्टेंट, OEM ग्रेड कंपोनेंट्स, शॉक प्रूफ, memory recall, auto pause feature. Okay, plus it comes with 1 + 2 years of warranty. That's what it is mentioned over here. But इसकी जो मेन जो बात है वो plug and play ही नहीं है. One of the important features which it carries is no additional switch is required. So essentially ये जो product है वो एक patterns के साथ you have certain switch patterns which you have to follow and you can interact with this particular product. वो देखते हैं अभी कैसे. So the patterns are pretty clear and there are pretty, I would say, standard. Turn right, turn left, turn right and off. That activates. Okay. To change the pattern you have to turn right and off or turn left and off. Okay. In order to save and deactivate, same feature we have turn right, left, right and then off switch. So basic interactions हैं which you can memorize easily and it helps you integrate this particular module as a plug and play and without any additional wiring. So only these two things are required, no additional tools are required to install the FlashX module on your bike. So let's go to the bike and let's try to install it. So in order to carry out this installation, first of all you need to remove your seat. So most of you know it, but just for the safer side I'm just trying to show the process again. Just put the key here, pull it down, keep it away, this one, and now this is your cable for releasing the seat. Just pull this once, you have to pull the seat along with that. Okay, the seat will be out. Let's keep it somewhere. यहाँ पे इसको रख देते हैं, ठीक है, और सीट को निकालते हैं, ठीक है. Yes, so this is our module, okay, and this is the wiring which standard set which we have got. So this particular coupler you have to join with the I would say flasher module. So on the top side you'll see a clip, same way you have to just plug it in, okay, and to assurance there'll be a click sound which makes sure that it is tightly done. Okay, now as a second step we have to put these two ends to the bike's wiring. So let me show you how. Here you will find there is one coupler which is there. So this basically connects your bike's rear end lights to the front end lights, the wiring of the bike. Just push this clip down and pull it out. So to just press it once and then pull it back. So the tip of the coupler you should be able to push it and it will be out. Okay, so just make sure that you are carrying a cloth with you. I forgot to tell you guys in the beginning, so just clean it before you rub in. So yeah, make sure that the couplers are clean. So now you will see two ends here, one is male and one is female. So this is a female end, this is a male end. So female of your biking goes to the male of the module. So that again is very much compatible. You have to just push it and then you'll have a click sound. And then same way on the top side you will just push it and you'll have a click sound. Well, let's just keep it here and test how the things are working. Okay, let's try to turn on the bike and see how it is performing. Yeah, so the rule says, which we read in the booklet, right, left, right, and then off. So now it should start working. So let's see how the patterns are working. See here. So let's try to arrange it. It's pretty much there, and let's try to put it here, and I think it should lie here, and let's try to put the seat back. So seat is pretty much simple. You don't need to do much of hard work in that. So yeah, hinges are here, and then just put it in the hinge and just push it. So seat will be settled. बाइक वो खड़ा है पीछे और हमने इंस्टॉलेशन कंप्लीट कर लिया है और साथ में सारे टिप्स मैंने कवर कर दिए हैं ऑलमोस्ट. बट अगर फिर भी आपको कोई लग रहा हो कोई क्वेश्चन है, कोई क्वेरी है, please don't hesitate to put the questions in the comment section, and we'll be more than happy to answer. And please do share if there is any feedback where we can improve on this video, and we'll definitely try to improve. Till then, stay tuned for Freedom Films.